How to log in to Texas Roadhouse employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Texas Roadhouse employee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Texas Roadhouse employee login. After you search for that, you'll find the Texas Roadhouse website. Tap on it and open that up. So while this verifies, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's go through with the verification now. And there we go, we're done. So right here now, you can simply log in into your account. Type in your email and then your password and then tap on login. And you'll be logged in into your Texas Roadhouse account. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.